we'll finally get to try the Centurion Lounge. Very first time.
Welcome back to the channel. It's Herman, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick tour of the Amex Centurion Lounge in the Mexico City airport. This airport has been one of the more chaotic ones that I've visited, so having access to an airport lounge of any kind, but especially this lounge, was a lifesaver.
This is a really nice lounge. Private chair.
And unlike other Centurion lounges, which have been a victim of their own success, especially in the US where they're extra crowded, this one still had a lot of extra spaces with private seating areas. And even though the food here was not buffet style, but instead it was made to order, the one thing that I noticed is that if you had the Amex Business Platinum, you would have had to pay extra rather than the food being complimentary. I enjoyed the food. It was well made, nice and fresh, and overall that private seating area that you had was very quiet, very comfortable. And if you're traveling alone especially, this is a real nice retrieve from the rest of the airport. No shower areas from what I could tell, but the bathroom was very sleek. Overall, the Amex Centurion Lounge in Mexico City was very nice and probably is one of the nicest of the airport lounges that I visited. And though it had a full bar, I wanted to keep from filming there because it would have made a lot of people uncomfortable since it was a pretty packed bar at the time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have questions on how to get access to these types of airport lounges, leave a comment down below. And until next time, bye.